Okay, what I have learned as a solo farmer, if you want to plant fruit trees all by yourself in hard, wet, clay soil, you need a couple of things. A good shovel and one of these. These little augers will break up the soil. Then you can just scoop it out, set it aside because you're going to need it to backfill the hole. And I will just keep taking out bit by bit. It often takes 20 to 30 minutes for me to dig a decent hole. But if you look down in here, you see this is clay and a lot of rocks. But see how this soil holds the moisture pretty good? So this is where I'm putting my fruit trees, and I may have to put some cages around them in case the deer start trying to eat them. This is a Liberty apple, especially suited for our zone 8B. There's another one there I got to plant. So that's 1, 2. I got that one in 3, and I'm going to put the other one way down there. And those are some other native plants in pots that I've got to work on. So slowly but surely, just wanted to pause for a minute and show you. Yes, you can plant all these fruit trees and stuff by yourself, but it's going to take you a minute. So best bet, break it up into little tiny pieces. By that, I mean, today I might only plant 4 fruit trees out of the 50 or so trees that I plan to put out here. But that's fine and dandy because it's going to get done. Woohoo!